First, make sure that this stick, it's actually where you want your music to start. So hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking in. Kindly do subscribe for new video notifications. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a full tutorial on how to use your CapCut. CapCut is a free website, or it can be an app, because you can download it in your phone for your video editing. Whether you're making content for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, CapCut has all the tools you need. So let's get into it. Get into CapCut. You need to click where to return create new. There's different types of ratios here, the type of videos that you're making. If you're making it for YouTube or Facebook, kindly do click on 16.9. if it's TikTok or YouTube Shorts, 9.6, Instagram 1.1. so in this case I want us to choose the 16.9, which is for YouTube. So what is next is you will need to click where to return upload. Once you click where to return upload and then you click on upload file, it will take you to your files where you saved the videos in your laptop. Then you can select the video that you just want to edit. Okay, once you downloaded your video, okay, it will be under your videos or everything that you just downloaded, the pictures or videos, of course. So you just click on the video. On your left side, you have all the tools to edit, the templates, elements, audio, video, caption, transcript, effects. All these tools, you will need them to edit your video. I think the first one will give us more options in editing. So let's start with applying effects. CapCut has a lot of effects, or a lot of variety of effects to choose from. So all you need to do is on your left where to return effect, you just tap on that, and then it will give you more options. Yes, more effects. So you just tap on the one that you want so that it can apply on your video. So let me say I'm choosing zoom. Okay, this is actually also nice for your African tour videos. Okay, so if you click on this,
once upon a time there was a couple.
Okay, that looks good. You can as well edit how long you want this zoom effect to apply on your video. If you want it until, let me say, somewhere here, then you can maybe just split, and then you delete the left effect, and then it will just apply until that time. Okay, just there. So that's it with editing, or with adding of effects. And I just show you how to split also your effect. So let's move to how to remove your video background. So let's just click on this picture, because this image will be our video background, since you will be deleting the original background. Just make sure that it fills up that whole space. Okay, so what is next is we click on our video, drag it until it's at the same level with the image, and then you just drag your picture until where your video added. Okay, just like that, okay. So click on your video, and then once you click on your video, you have there's features, or should I say tools, you can use. You click at smart tools, and then you'll be given an option, remove background video, and then you just click there, and then you click on auto removal. So as it's loading here, down here where it's removing background, it's actually preparing your preparing to remove your video background. So let's just see what is the next result. Okay, so it's done. This is so beautiful. Okay, so just make sure that you make this video a bit small so that we can see the behind YouTube, this logo for YouTube, so it will look so nice. Okay, let's just replay this.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here,
and that's it. Okay, this is it's actually nice for those that don't really have a nice background, so you can always choose what kind of background you want for your video. Okay, let's add captions on this video. So what you need to do is on your left, you just click on captions, auto captions, and then you'll type in the type of English you want, whether it's US English, Italian, whatever language it is. So as for me, I will leave it at English US. So then you just click and generate. It's very fast, so there we go. So if you click here on the words on your left, once you click there on your left, you will give another tools to apply on your captions. So if you click on text, you can change maybe, because sometimes they don't say exactly the word or the word that you just spoke, so you can always change the words here. And then down here under default, or where it's written default, if you click there, you will have fonts that you can use. You can always choose whatever fonts you want. Okay. So everything is provided for you. Everything is provided for you. And then if you click at animation, this is how you want your videos or your words to pop up. So let me see if we can use this.
hi there, welcome back to my channel.
I think that one is nice, so let's see. Okay, one thing I forgot. Let's go back to text. On top, under here where it's written apply all, make sure that it's ticked. Okay, there's a tick, so that all the features that you're doing, it can actually apply on the captions for the whole video. So let's just replay it.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel.
So that's it. I think I like the way it is. So you can click at export when you want to download your video. You just click at export. It will give you features, or it will give you options, whether you want to upload your video straight to the social media platforms. If you want it to be on TikTok, you can actually just click on TikTok. If it's YouTube, you can click on YouTube. If it's Instagram, you can as well do the same. But if you want to download it in your laptop, and then you just click on download, and then you click on export, so it will export. So until it's at 100%, and then I'm sure your video will be in your on your documents. What's next is let's add music background on this video. So you just need to click on your media. If you didn't upload your music background yet, you can just click on upload file, then you upload your music on your CapCut page or CapCut website. So as you can see, these are the musics I uploaded. So we are going to choose one of those musics so that they can be our music background. you just click on the music. Okay, but first let me take you back. First, make sure that this stick, it's actually where you want your music to start. So in case you want your music to start here, then you should put it here, and then you just click on the music. Okay, so but if you want your music to be from the beginning, or to start from the beginning, then just put it on the beginning, you click on the music. Okay, let's remove some sound from the music background so that we can also hear the original video. Okay, you just click on sound and then you click on basic. Okay,